Illustrator CS5 has a great feature that allows you to automatically have artwork snap to the pixel grid to avoid ugly anti-aliasing artifacts. For example, if I kind of zoom in on these tags over here, they may look nice and clean on my artboard right now, but if I were to adjust my view to turn on the pixel preview, I can see that those paths are kind of fuzzy. They're not clean and sharp the way that I want them to be. So I can select these tabs right here, access my transform panel right here from the control panel, and turn on the align to pixel grid settings. Notice now the artwork looks much cleaner and has the appearance I'm looking for. However, when it comes to working with text, there really isn't a one-click solution. You can't really snap text to a pixel grid because there are more variables involved. For example, the point size that you specify, the font that you use, all have an impact on how that artwork is going to look when it gets anti-aliased. So to get complete control over how your text appears on the web, you can choose from a variety of anti-aliasing settings for text now in Illustrator CS5. I'll start by selecting these text elements right here, and then I'll go to the Window menu, choose Type, and then choose Character to open my Character panel. In its fully expanded state, note that the Character panel allows you to have multiple states, so if I go ahead and I click on this little triangle right here, I can toggle different views of that panel. So in its fully expanded view, I can see there's a text anti-aliasing option here that allows me to choose between 4 different options. First, I can turn off anti-aliasing altogether. It doesn't look that great here, but there may be times when you have really small text that would only appear readable when you turn off or disable the anti-aliasing. Then, depending on what font you're using and what point size you have specified, you can choose between other options, for example, sharp, crisp, or strong. Similar to the options that you might find inside of Photoshop, these various anti-aliasing settings, specifically for text, allow you to dial in exactly what you need to make sure that your artwork looks great on the web.